Cables love to moonlight as antennas. Route one power lead a little wrong, and your enclosure starts radiating like it has its own podcast. Shut that down with API Delevan's FFAT series flexible ferrite absorbent tubing. This tubing can be slipped over internal and external power, data, and signal lines to suppress EMI right on the cable. It's easy and fast to process and eliminates the time-consuming and failure-prone task of soldering braided shielding. It can also be incorporated into the overmolding process on cable assemblies. It provides effective EMI suppression from 10 MHz to 3 GHz, so one material can target both low and high frequency noise. It's available in 1 meter lengths and 6 sizes, with inner diameters from 1.8 to 10 millimeters and outer diameters from 2.9 to 14 millimeters, fitting a wide range of cables. It has extremely high electrical resistance and a wide operating temperature range.